Are you tired of spending hours trying to design the perfect invitation for your event? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create beautiful, personalized invitations for weddings, birthdays, or parties in Canva using a ready-made template in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a stunning invitation ready to print or share. No graphic design skills needed. First, open the Canva app on your phone or visit www.canva.com on your browser. You should now see the home page with a search bar at the top. Pro tip: if you haven't created an account yet, sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. Next, search for your invitation template on Canva. Type wedding invitation if you are looking for a wedding invitation card into the search bar and hit enter. Type birthday invitation if you are looking for a birthday invitation card into the search bar and hit enter. Type party invitation if you are looking for a party invitation card into the search bar and hit enter. Or in the search bar you can type any event invitation name on the search bar to create an invitation card. When you hit enter, you'll now see hundreds of invitation templates for different occasions based on your search, like weddings, birthdays, baby showers, and more. Now, scroll through the options and click on the template that best fits your event. A larger preview will open. If you like what you see, click Customize this template. You're now in the Canva editor. Tap on any text box to edit the wording. Change the names, date, time, and location to match your event. You'll see a formatting bar that lets you change the font, size, color, and alignment. Pro tip: make sure your text is clear and easy to read, especially the event details. Want to add a photo or icon? Tap the Elements tab or the Uploads tab on the left side. You can upload your own image or choose from thousands of free icons and illustrations. Adding a photo of the couple for a wedding invite can make it even more personal. Now, enter the information you need to create this wedding card, one by one, such as the names of the bride and groom, the wedding day, time, and the address of the place where the ceremony will take place. Once all this information is provided, your wedding card creation is almost complete. Also, if you want to add any new information, you can add it here. Once your invitation looks perfect, click Share at the top right and select Download. Choose PDF print if you plan to print it at home or at a print shop. This ensures high-quality resolution. Bonus tip: Canva also lets you select crop marks and bleed for professional printing. Just check those boxes before downloading. Option 1. Print at home. Use thick cardstock paper for a professional feel. Set your printer settings to best quality and make sure the paper size matches your design, usually a 5 or 5 times 7 inches. After printing, trim along the crop marks if you added them. Option 2. Print at a local shop or online. Take your PDF print file to a local print shop on a USB drive or email. You can also upload it to online print services like FedEx, Staples, or Canva Print, available directly in Canva under the Print Your Design option. Bonus: Canva Print delivers printed invites right to your door. Just select Print and follow the steps. So, in just a few clicks, you've created and personalized a beautiful invitation, and now you know how to print it too. Whether you're emailing it, sharing on WhatsApp, or handing it out physically, your invite is ready to impress. Bonus tip: you can also resize your design to fit Instagram stories or WhatsApp status using Canva's resize tool, available in the Pro version. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more simple tech tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. Reply to everyone. And don't forget to check out my video on how to share Canva designs easily on WhatsApp and email, linked below. Thanks for watching. Click here to watch another helpful Canva tutorial.